In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust clarity settings in ElevenLabs and improve the overall quality of your AI-generated voice. If your voiceovers don't sound as clean or natural as you'd like, the clarity setting can help refine the output and make speech easier to understand. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. Select the voice you want to use, then enter or paste your script into the text editor. Next, locate the Voice Settings panel. Here you'll find the clarity control along with other voice customization options. The clarity setting influences how crisp and well-defined the generated speech sounds. Adjusting it can help improve pronunciation and make the voice easier to follow, especially for longer scripts. Move the clarity slider gradually and generate a short sample after each adjustment. Listening to small test clips makes it easier to compare the results and choose the setting that sounds best. If you're creating tutorials, presentations, or educational content, you may prefer a clearer, more consistent voice. For creative projects, you can experiment with different levels to find a style that matches your content. Keep in mind that the ideal setting can vary depending on the voice you've selected and the script you're using, so testing a few different values is always a good idea. Once you're satisfied with the sound, generate the complete voiceover and download the audio file for your project. And that's how you adjust clarity settings in ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.